Yo guys, Marks and Mills.
Today we're going to do another
reaction video.
We came across a game of Ratchet and Clank, as you guys may know.
They're making a movie about it soon, which would be pretty cool.
And they're making a game based on the movie, based on the game.
Yeah. And we're going to watch the game
that's based on the movie.
That's based on the game trailer.
Yeah.
So, enjoy.
Let's do this shit. Visit www.ersp.org for rating information. Only on PlayStation.
That's good.
Insomniac game.
This is the story of a Lombax named Ratchet and his robot friend Clank and the muscular, irresistibly handsome hero who helped them save the galaxy.
Oh boy.
Just remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me? Let's try this baby out. Yes.
What the
I
hell?
thought it was time to get you a new
Locking on. Got him.
Games, but this looks really good.
This is the first one I'm going to play, and I'm glad. Oh my god. Based on the game.
Are you ready to be a galactic ranger? We want you!
That does look pretty cool. Oh, you get an exclusive cover version anyway. Major motion picture in theatres, April 29, 2016. Yep, we've got another whole year to wait.
But yeah, I know for a fact I'm definitely going to be getting that, and I'm definitely going to be playing that.
And you'll be seeing that in the future.
Definitely. Alright guys, that's another useless video from Marks and Mills. We hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, favourite and subscribe. And as always, peace.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, his vomit on his sweater already. Mom's forgetting, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking loud, everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, wow. Snap back to reality, oh, there goes gravity, oh, there goes gravity. Chill, he's so mad that he won't. He knows he won't have it, he knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's close, he knows back to these ropes. He's so stacked, he knows, and he goes back to this mobile home. Back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't pass him. And lose his mouth in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity